Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, I have not heard this hadith from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu has narrated to me. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was passing through a garden of Banu Najjar, riding his mule, and we were also accompanying him when that mule all at once shield and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was about to fall. There were 6, 5 or 4 graves. The reporter says that Jurayri said in the same way, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, who knows the inmates of these graves? A man submitted, I know. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, when did they die? He submitted, they died as polytheists. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, this ummah is put to trial in the graves. If I had not had fear that you would stop burying your dead in the graves, I would have invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to make you hear the torment in the grave, which I am listening to. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then faced us and said, seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu from the torment of hell. The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, we seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against the torment of hell. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against the punishment in the grave. The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, we seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against the punishment in the grave. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu from all visible and invisible strifes. The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, we seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu from all visible and invisible strifes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, seek refuge with Allah against the trial of Antichrist. The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, we seek refuge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu from the trial of the Antichrist. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7142.